Hey everyone. Right now, you're watching a live demo of spyware that I installed on my own laptop, and it's logging my screen directly into my hacker machine. Today, we're diving deep into the world of spyware, what it is, how it works, and yes, we're going to create a simple spyware in Python called Screen Logger. So let's get started. First of all, what exactly is spyware? Spyware is a type of malicious software designed to infiltrate your system, monitor your activities, and send data to someone else, all without your consent. It can do things like steal your passwords, track your browsing history, capture screenshots, or even record your keystrokes. Once this data is collected, it's typically sent back to the attacker, where it's analyzed or even sold to third parties. The important thing to understand here is that spyware operates in the background, completely invisible to the victim, and it can get into your system through fake downloads, email attachments, or malicious websites. Today, we're going to create a screen logger that captures screenshots and sends them to a server, much like real-world spyware would. Remember, this is purely for educational purposes. Never use this information maliciously. Now, let's jump into creating the spyware using Python. We'll start by importing the necessary Python modules. We'll be using requests to send the screenshots to our server, MSS to capture the screen, and we'll use time and OS to manage time delays and file paths. After importing the modules, we define the server URL and the path to temporarily store the screenshot. This URL points to the server where the captured screenshots will be sent, while the screenshot will be stored in the system's temp folder before transmission. Next up is the screenshot function. In this function, we use MSS to capture the screen. The MSS library grabs a snapshot of the current screen and saves it to a file. Then, using the requests module, we send the captured screenshot to the server as a file upload. In the main function, we create a loop that continuously captures screenshots every 3 seconds. This function ensures that if anything goes wrong, the spyware doesn't crash. Instead, it simply continues running. Finally, to make the spyware look legitimate, we open the original Windows Explorer.exe so that the user doesn't suspect anything when running the spyware. Now that we've built the spyware, let's set up the server that will receive and display the screenshots. For the server, we'll use Node.js with Express to handle web requests, Socket.io for real-time communication, and File Upload to manage incoming files like the screenshots from our spyware. We'll define 2 routes, one for the front-end page to display the screenshots, and another for handling the screenshots being sent by the Python spyware. Finally, the server will listen on port 3000, waiting for incoming screenshots. The front-end code will display each incoming screenshot in real time. Every time the Python script sends a screenshot to the server, it will be rendered as an image on the web page. Pretty cool, right? Now I've uploaded the entire code on GitHub so you can clone or download it yourself. Here's how you can set it up. First, you'll need to install Python and Node.js on your system. Once installed, navigate to the directory where your spyware files are located. Open a terminal there and run the build.bat file to compile the Python code into a Windows executable named fakeexplorer.exe. This will install Python modules and automatically compile the spyware. As you can see, the spyware named has fakeexplorer.exe. Next, install the necessary Node.js server packages by running npm-i. Once that's done, start the server by typing node-server.js, and just like that, the server is up and running. Now let's test it out. I'll open the fakeexplorer.exe on my laptop and we'll see if it works. And there you have it. It works perfectly. As you can see, the spyware is logging the screen every 3 seconds, sending the images to the server in real time. If you want, you can adjust the timing to make it faster or slower. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some safety measures to protect yourself from spyware. First, always use antivirus software. Keep it updated and run regular scans. Be cautious about downloading files or software from untrusted sources. Always enable your firewall to block unauthorized connections. Finally, keep your operating system and software updated to patch any security vulnerabilities. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.
I think the girls with their nails done now.